Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to start our class 10 mathematics course. The first unit is about quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? So we can define it that an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is called quadratic equation. The word quadratic is derived from a word quad, which means square. So if we look here, the exponent of the variable is 2. So this is called a quadratic equation, or it is also called a second degree equation. Degree means power, so here the power is 2. It is also called a second degree equation, where a, b and c are real numbers with a not equals to 0. Suppose that this a is 0, so then this quadratic term will be vanished and only bx plus c will remain, and then bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a linear equation. A linear equation, what is a linear equation? An equation in which the degree of variable is 1, or the power of the variable is 1 is called linear equation. So if this a is 0, this whole term will become 0, and then it will remain bx plus c equals to 0, and bx plus c is a linear equation, and ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. Note, the coefficient of x square must not be 0, otherwise it will become a linear equation, as I told you. Now some example of quadratic equation are x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. The other is 2x square minus 3 equals to 0. The next one is x square plus 2x is equal to 0. The next one is x square is equal to 0. In all these four equations, the first one is in standard form. This one is not in standard form because here the linear term is missing, or we can say that the term in which the variable x is. So here it is missing. Here the constant term is missing, and here the constant and variable term, linear term are both. The constant and linear term both are missing. So that's why this is also a quadratic equation. These are the some forms of quadratic equation. Now look at here. This one is quadratic term, this one is linear term, and this one is constant term. So in the next classes we will discuss how to solve a quadratic equation by different methods.